Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah, so let's go. Blue color, red color, pink color, dark green color, purple color, yellow color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cake. D. E for duck. E. E for elf. F. F for frog. G. G for glass. H. H for hand. I for Iceland. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for noodle. O. O for onion. P. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for song. T. T for tire. U. U for uniform. V. V for pen. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray fish. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yellow color, green color, dark green color, orange color, brown color, purple color, red color, light green color, light pink color, yellow color, banana. Banana is yellow color. Orange color. Orange is orange color. Purple color. Grapes. Grapes is purple color. Green color. Lemon. Lemon is green color. Green color. Olive. Olive is green color. Red color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Red color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Pink color. Peach. Peach is pink color. Red color. Tomato. Tomato is red color. Pear. Pear is green color. Red color. Apple. Apple is red color. Banana. Orange. Grapes, lemon, olive, watermelon, cherry, peach, tomato, pear, apple. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.